Hi, my name is Matthew Pacheco, and I'm a fourth year cellular neuroscience student at the Harriet L. Wilkes Honors College of FAU, and this is our solution to inequality in scientific outreach. Engage Florida is an organization that conducts scientific outreach in local underserved schools. All aspects of the organization are centered on grassroots efforts run by students and for students to engage our South Florida local community. Scientific outreach is primarily conducted in privileged schools, creating for underserved students a lack of access to and knowledge of educational opportunities such as laboratory research. Downstream effects of systemic discrimination combine to result in stark differences in students' access to education and educational opportunities. These differences are especially amplified in areas of South Florida with gaping economic divide, such as Palm Beach County. Though over 40 billionaires reside in this county, 1 in 5 students live in poverty. When classes went completely online, the joy we found in the process of learning felt far more distant. So we fell back on our excitement for research and discovery to combat this pandemic fatigue and reinvigorate our passion for education. Reflecting on our team's pivotal experiences being exposed to research early in our lives, we realized how important it was to excite students early in their career about research, something traditional scientific outreach organizations fail to do by only teaching students about scientific concepts instead of the love for discovery. Thus, we co-founded Engage Florida to address two areas: improving undergraduate scientific communication skills and exciting local students about research. Engage Florida is a student-led initiative dedicated to engaging local South Florida students in discussions about research. We post several types of media to further engage students in the love and passion for scientific discovery. The first aspect of our organization is our seminars that we run in underserved Title I schools within South Florida. We work with several FAU Honors College undergraduates who conduct their own research and are willing to discuss their work with others. These students work in teams to present their research in an accessible way to local high schools and middle schools. The second aspect of Engage Florida is our podcast called Shine, Student Highlight Initiative, which is aimed at inspiring high school students to get involved with research. On this podcast, undergraduate students discuss how to get involved in research and the lessons they have learned working in the lab. Our podcasts allow undergraduates to practice speaking about their work outside of a seminar-style setting and provides the opportunity for students and teachers to interface with the content we deliver in a less direct and more informal way before or after our presentations at their school. We are currently partnering with El Sol, the Max Planck Florida Institute for Neuroscience, Scripps Florida, and FAU to create an annual symposium where scientists will present their research in an engaging fashion to the same students we work with through Engage Florida. An aspect of the symposium will be creative presentations, where researchers of all levels and many disciplines can present their research in a creative and engaging way. Another aspect of the symposium would be a career panel where researchers can share the everyday life of a scientist, as well as the path to becoming a scientist, with the intent of inspiring and informing students about science and the background of it. Other scientific outreach organizations are far too focused on scientific concepts rather than inspiring students to pursue science. Our approach encourages young students to become interested in the research endeavor, and we talk about the practical applications of our research in an engaging manner. Thus, we aim to create the researchers of the future who will tackle today's problems. Our team is comprised of undergraduates with the same background as the students we engage with. We have a unique understanding of the struggles that the students we work with face and are able to connect with them in a way that nobody else can. Representation matters. Thank you.